Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, you will learn to read words that begin with the consonant blend BR. You have already learned all the sounds you need to read the rest of the letters in each word. Finally, we will read short sentences. Each sentence uses one of the words we will practice reading. Let's learn the sound of the blend BR. I will say the sound of the blend 3 times. Listen to the sound. Burr, burr, burr. Now, say it with me 3 times. Ready? Let us begin. Burr, burr, burr. The sound is burr as in brand. Great job. Now, let's read words that begin with burr. Here's our word list with the words that begin with the consonant blend burr. This is the method by which we will read these words. First, we will say the sound of BR, then we'll read the rest of the word, then we'll read the full word. Once we finish reading all the words in this manner, we will review the words by reading straight through the list without pausing. Let us begin. Burr, ag, brag. Burr, and, bran. Burr, and, brand. Burr, anch, branch. Burr, ass, brass. Burr, at, brat. Burr, ick, brick. Burr, brim. Burr, bring. Burr, isk, brisk. Burr, unks, bronx. Burr, off, broth. Burr, unch, brunch. Burr, ush, brush. Now we will review all the words. We will read straight through all the words without pausing. Ready? Let us begin. Brag, bran, brand, branch, brass, brat, brick, brim, bring, brisk, bronx, broth, brunch, brush. Great job. Now we will read sentences where each sentence has one of the words that we've read. Ready? Let us begin. The boy was a brat when he did not get his way. She eats hot bran cereal with butter. I like this brand of soda. A bird is sitting on the branch. The bell is made of brass. Do not brag about your new car. The house is made of red brick. The cup is full to the brim. Please bring my slippers to me. I went for a brisk walk in the park. We went to the Bronx Zoo. I drink hot chicken broth when I am fasting. I brush my hair. We had eggs and toast for brunch. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of Level 3, Lesson 2. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day and practice the lesson that you have learned. If you find it difficult to do any part of the lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can do this lesson with ease. When you can do this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've enjoyed this interactive lesson, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when the new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.